皆さんこんにちは。商品開発を担当している大路です。新型コロナウイルスの世界的流行により、今までの生活様式や働き方が大きく変わり始めた今、シチズンも新しいスタイルで時計の魅力を皆様へ伝えていきたいと思います。私たちにはBetter Starts Nowという信念があります。それはどんな時であろうと、今をスタートだと考えて行動する限り、私たちは絶えず何かをより良くしていけるのだというシチズンの信念を表したものです。そしてこの信念は私たちだけのものではありません。さまざまな変化が起こり続ける世界において、それぞれの Now から次の Better を見つけ出し、前に進み続ける人たちがいます。たとえ国やフィールド、そして目指す先が違っても、私たち一人一人のベターが世界をより良くするための一歩になっていると信じています。私たちシチズンもまたこの信念を胸に日々時計を作り続けています。今回発表するのは機械式時計です。私たちが初めて世に送り出した時計も機械式の懐中時計でした。より良い時計を作りたい、その思いで私たちは時計の精度と美しさを追求してきました。
Citizen's history goes back to 1918. After visiting watch factories in the West, Kamekichi Yamazaki, a Japanese dealer in watch metals, decided to produce a pocket watch in Japan and founded the Shokosha Watch Research Institute. He imported machine tools and started manufacturing key components. In his quest to make precise, accurate watches, he even set up a watchmaking school. Accurate to within 20 seconds per day lying flat, and within 30 seconds a day in position, Yamazaki targeted the same quality levels as high-end imports. It took 6 years before his pocket watch was ready. The watch was the perfect fusion of the practical and the elegant. The mayor of Tokyo, Shinpei Goto, gave it the name Citizen, in the hope that people everywhere would use and cherish it. The name of the pocket watch became our company name. And the birth of that first pocket watch marked Citizen's entry into the world of mechanical watches. In 1956, this model accelerated Citizen's pursuit of accuracy in mechanical watches. The following year, we released a specially adjusted model under the name Mitsuboshi. In 1958, a range of ingenious techniques made this ultra-thin model very durable. A special configuration to improve the bearing's oil retention, an anti-shock system, and a durable hairspring. The series sold over 1 million units. In 1962, this model featured the first Citizen hand-wound movement at COSC certification equivalent standard. With its 13.5mm balance wheel, it was developed specifically for superior accuracy. Our commitment to beauty is visible in every part of the watch. In 1967, automatic day-date model at COSC certification equivalent standard was released, Back then, most models used plastic for the glass. We opted for stronger, handsomer crystal glass. With its gentle curving dome and clear edges, it has huge character. In 1971, in this specially adjusted model, we increased the frequency of the balance wheel to 10 beats per second. It was certified by the Japan Chronometer Inspection Institute. In 1971, we succeeded in achieving a high level of accuracy of an average -2 + 3 seconds per day, superior to COSC certification standard. We used an inner terminal curve for the hairspring and increased the accuracy through extremely careful adjustment. In 2010, this model featured the Caliber 0910, our first new mechanical movement in roughly 30 years. We drew on all our skills as a manufacturer for it. Our passion for accuracy and elegance infuses all our mechanical watches. Their timeless qualities pervade our latest movement too.
いかがでしたでしょうか。創業以来、私たちは身につける人のことを思い、より良い時計を追求しています。それでは今回、11年ぶりに発表する新しい機械式ムーブメント、Caliber 0200を紹介します。Caliber 0200を開発するにあたり、光発電、エコドライブ製品の開発に長らく注力していたシチズンですが、今回グループ全体で新たな開発・製造体制を構築しました。2012年、スイスのラジペレ社をシチズンウォッチグループに迎え入れ、技術交流を通じラジペレが保有する高い開発・製造力、そして装飾技術を学ぶことで、シチズンの高い精度とその持続性に審美性を加え、新たな価値創出に向けた挑戦をしてきました。今回発表するCaliber 0200の開発にあたっては、既存の機械式ムーブメントの延長線ではなく、加工方法や仕上げの見直しを図りました。シチズンの設計思想と部品加工技術に新たにラジペレの技術が加わり、日本、そしてスイス、両国の文化を背景に持つムーブメントとして、シチズンの新たな意思を示す機械式ムーブメントが誕生しました。それでは今回、Caliber 0200に関わったシチズンエンジニアの思いをお聞きください。
機械式時計って部品の精度そのものが時計の時間精度につながるんですよね。部品精度を高めて時間精度を高める、これは創業以来変わっていない当社のスタンスかなと思います。
For the Caliber 0200, our first goal was to achieve sustained, accurate timekeeping. That's part of citizens' pursuit of the essence of the watch. At Citizen, we've spent decades developing light-powered eco-drive watches. When we made our long-awaited entry into mechanical watches, one benchmark we set ourselves was accuracy above chronometer standard. We achieved accuracy of -3 + 5 seconds per day.
その精度に対するこだわりというのは部品レベルからあるわけです。
For the Caliber 0200, we opted for a free-sprung balance wheel. It's the optimal mechanism for long-running, high-level accuracy. You can change the moment of inertia with Masselet's weights without interfering with the hairspring. Since the precision of the balance wheel's elements impacts on timekeeping accuracy, the manufacturing process must be extremely precise. The mastery of manufacturing watch components is a historic strength of the Citizen Watch Group. We took a typical Citizen approach. We increased the precision of all the components to achieve the desired level of accurate timekeeping. Our engineering division developed a new manufacturing process for the free-sprung balance wheel, a device we used here for the first time. By significantly improving the precision of the components, we increased the isochronism. This is the production process for the balance wheel's diamond cut finish. Beautiful individual components plus precision. The distinguishing feature of this movement is the way you can watch the beautifully manufactured balance wheel as it keeps accurate time.
0200の開発にあたっては、初期設計段階から審美性と精度、この2つを強く意識しました。
Our engineers focused on the movement's aesthetics from the exploration phase of the design process. It was important for the aesthetic to go beyond the decorative. We wanted the whole movement to express a world view. We made countless trial layouts of the gears, the barrel, the balance wheel, the escapement, to create a beautiful movement. Eventually, we arrived at a layout that shows off the balance wheel, with its beautifully finished overlapping gears, to maximum advantage. This is one of the most attractive features of a mechanical watch. With the Caliber 0200, you can see the beautiful gear train extending from the center wheel to the balance wheel. Our adoption of a small second layout made that possible. In our pursuit of a specific aesthetic and a modern, refined movement design, we ended up with the same dial layout as in Citizen's first ever pocket watch. We used different techniques: diamond cut, satinage, colimaçonnage, and perlage to finish the main plate and the bridges. These make the gears and the balance wheel even more beautiful. Notice how we applied a diamond cut finish to the minutest details of the bridges which support the gears. We achieved a finish with a beautiful sense of depth that makes lively use of reflected light. We invented ways to show off the beautiful rhythmical movement of the balance wheel. We applied a diamond cut finish to the outer edges of the balance wheel, and we sandblasted its forearms for contrast. We drew on the know-how of La Joux-Perret for some of these finishing techniques.
Pour ce projet, avec Citizen, ils nous ont exigé une très grande qualité sur les composants notamment, et c'est pourquoi nous attendons à ce que ce mouvement soit de très haute qualité.
The aesthetics of the entire movement make it a thing of beauty. That beauty is the result of Citizen Watch Group working synergistically. With the Caliber 0200, we were also very focused on the tiniest details. We decorated the gears with cerclage and polished the screw heads to a perfect finish. It all goes back to the total aesthetic, which is the overarching aim of the Caliber 0200.
冒頭で1924年に発売した初代懐中時計に長く広く市民に愛されるようにと市民を意味するシチズンと名付けたエピソードをご紹介しました。そのシチズンの名をそのまま冠にしたブランドザ・シチズンよりキャリバー0200を搭載した機械式時計を発売いたします。
Since ancient times, eagles and humans have lived and worked together. Raised by a single master, eagles are loyal. And with their superior vision and clarity, they are always chasing their next prey into the far beyond. The citizen is like an eagle. It never stands still. It challenges the unknown in pursuit of the next ideal in timekeeping. Designed as far more than a timepiece, the citizen aspires to be an integral part of your life. The eagle mark on every timepiece symbolizes this quest for true partnership, crafting the next ideal.
The brand promise of the citizen is twofold: to craft the next ideal and to be your best partner. It fulfills this promise by pursuing the essence of the watch and becoming an integral part of users' lives. Our lineup consists of watches that symbolize citizens' craftsmanship and its pursuit of the essence of the watch, from the ultra-precise Caliber 0100 Eco Drive watch, accurate to a world-beating plus-minus 1 second per year, to other Eco Drive watches, accurate to plus-minus 5 seconds per year. While improving accuracy, we also seek to make watches that are rich in aesthetic appeal, have interesting tactile qualities, and offer genuine satisfaction when worn. Watches that can become part of people's lives. Our next question was, what sort of watch design is worthy of the Caliber 0200? Now that we had a beautiful movement, we needed an equally beautiful watch exterior to house it. After much research, we concluded that the best look would be an advanced, innovative one, a look suited to a mechanical watch embodying Citizen Watch Group's new direction. We aimed to develop a strong, sharp-looking design that expressed those values. For the case, we opted for bold surfaces with no lugs. We gave it the tactile quality of an industrial product through the use of solid stainless steel, enlivened with rough hairline and mirror finishes. The way the light plays on the case and band gives the watch enormous character, particularly when it is on the wrist. We used electroforming to create a variegated pattern on the black dial. The shadows on it produced delightfully subtle color variations. The model should go on sale in early autumn 2021. Citizen is one of the world's few manufacturers. We design our watches, make the components, and assemble and adjust them all in-house. Even with all that expertise at our disposal, it still requires an extraordinary level of skill to assemble the Citizen, equipped as it is with this specially designed movement containing many of our most advanced technologies. Only our watchmaking meisters can perform that task. Drawing on all their experience, they use their sensitive fingertips to breathe life into the Citizen, before sending it out proudly into the world.
私たちの機械式時計での新たな挑戦はキャリバー0200だけではありません。より多くのお客様にシチズンの機械式時計をお使いいただくために実用性とデザイン性を兼ね備えた新たなコレクションを展開します。お客様のライフスタイルや思考は多様化するとともに現代の生活にはスマートフォンやタブレットは欠かせないアイテムとなっています。そこで私たちは対峙性能を強化した機械式時計をシリーズ8より発売いたします。
We are relaunching Series 8 as a mechanical watch collection that combines functionality and design in a manner suited to the times. Series 8 will make its worldwide debut outside Japan in 2021. Series 8 has a case made up of straight lines and simple surfaces. Bold matte hairlines add texture and distinctiveness to its modern, sporty design. When it came to the functional side, our focus was on practicality. We strengthened the magnetic resistance. Plus, we achieved a thin design, limiting the movement to a thickness of 4.1 millimeters. In this way, we created a smart design mechanical watch that's nice and easy to use in the contemporary context. The 870 mechanical series is distinguished by a case with a powerful-looking two-piece bezel construction and simple surface structure with bold, hairline and mirror finishes. The 830 mechanical and 831 mechanical series have an octagonal case with strikingly attractive glossy surfaces. It is paired with a bracelet based around the same concept of strong, straight lines, resulting in perfect integration between case and bracelet. The 830 mechanical has a vivid, striking dial. It has 3 layers. A mother-of-pearl layer sits on top of a metal plate. A latticed metal plate and indexes are then placed on top of these to create a subtle sense of depth.
現代はライフサイクルの短い商品があふれる消費社会です。しかし腕時計は基本的な機構は数百年変わらない私たちに一番身近な精密機械であり、大切に使えば次の世代にも受け継ぐことができます。長く愛されるためにシチズンは創業以来時代の最新技術に時計の新しい可能性を見出し、今までにない選択肢を生み出してきました。1976年には世界に先駆け環境に配慮し、光を電気エネルギーに変えて時を刻むテクノロジーエコドライブを開発しました。光がある限りいつでもどこでも動き続けるサステナブルな腕時計の提案を長年続けています。そして今回もう一つのサステナブルな提案として機械式時計を発表しました。人に一番近いところで動き続ける機械として、使う人のパートナーとして、 寄り添い続ける存在でありたい。次の世代につなげていくものとして、そして長く愛されるためにシチズンはこれからも機械式時計を進化させていきます。より多くの人々により良い時計を届けるために、私たちの挑戦に終わりはありません。